Deep in the holler behind the third ridge, a copper kettle is bubbling. Everyone knows about it. Nobody has seen it, naturally. Here are 8 idioms from whiskey and moonshine. Number 1, white lightning. Clear as water, kicks like a mule, made by moonlight far from paperwork. White lightning is homemade, high-proof moonshine, and it is not kidding. Number 2, bootleg. Smugglers once hid flat bottles inside their tall boots. Bootleg means made or sold outside the law. Applies to whiskey and also to concert recordings. Number 3, bathtub gin. During Prohibition, home chemists got creative in questionable containers. Bathtub gin is cheap homemade liquor with a recipe best left unexamined. Number 4, Dutch courage. Feeling brave after a drink is not the same as being brave. Dutch courage is boldness borrowed from a bottle. The bottle wants it back tomorrow. Number 5, drunker than Cooter Brown. Legend says Cooter Brown stayed drunk through the entire Civil War, so neither side would draft him. Drunker than Cooter Brown means drunk beyond all known scales. Number 6, hair of the dog. The old cure for a dog bite was fur from the same dog. The old cure for a rough morning is a sip of last night's trouble. Neither works, both persist. Number 7, a teetotaler. Not one drop, not at weddings, not at midnight, not ever. A teetotaler is someone who has signed the full, capital T total pledge against drinking. Number 8, the still in the holler. Officially, it does not exist. Unofficially, take the second trail past the creek. The still in the holler is the secret absolutely everyone keeps. And that is 8 idioms from the moonshine trade. You did not hear them from us. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.